Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Easy American English. I'm Jessica, your English teacher.
And I'm Jack. I'm learning English just like you.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
I'm great, Jessica. I'm excited for today's lesson.
Me too. Today we're going to learn something really fun. We're going to learn how to talk about your new year in English.
Oh, that sounds interesting. New Year is such a special time.
Yes, it is. After New Year, people always ask questions like, how was your New Year? Or, what did you do for New Year? So today, we'll learn how to answer these questions.
Perfect. I want to know how to talk about my New Year with my friends.
Great. Are you ready to start?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's begin with something simple. Jack, the most common question people ask after New Year is, how was your New Year?
How was your New Year?
Yes, that's the question. Now, let me teach you how to answer. You can say, my New Year was great, or my New Year was wonderful.
My New Year was great.
Perfect. Now you try. Say it slowly. My New Year was great.
My New Year was great.
Excellent. Now, listeners, can you repeat after me? My New Year was great. Say it now. Good job.
Jessica, what other words can I use instead of great?
Good question, Jack. You can say amazing, fantastic, nice, or fun.
Oh, so I can say my New Year was amazing.
Exactly. Or my New Year was fun. It's very simple.
My New Year was fun. I like that.
Good. Now let's practice more. Jack, how was your New Year?
My New Year was wonderful.
Beautiful answer. Okay, listeners, now you try. Imagine I'm asking you, how was your New Year? Answer out loud. Great job. Now, let's learn another important question. People might ask, what did you do for New Year?
What did you do for New Year?
Yes, this question asks about your activities, what you did on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day.
So I need to talk about my activities.
Exactly. Let me give you some simple answers. You can say, I spent time with my family.
I spent time with my family.
Or you can say, I stayed home and watched TV.
I stayed home and watched TV.
Perfect. Now, listeners, repeat after me. I spent time with my family. Say it now. Excellent.
Jessica, what if I went to a party?
Great question. You can say, I went to a party with my friends.
I went to a party with my friends.
Yes. Or I celebrated with my friends. The word celebrated means you had a special time for New Year.
Celebrated. I celebrated with my friends.
Perfect pronunciation, Jack. Now, listeners, repeat. I celebrated with my friends. Say it slowly. Very good. Jack, let me teach you more activities. Some people like to cook special food for New Year.
Oh, yes, I love food.
So you can say, I cooked special food, or I ate delicious food with my family.
I ate delicious food with my family. Yum.
Yes, delicious means very, very good. Now, some people watch fireworks on New Year. Fireworks.
Those are beautiful.
Yes, so you can say, I watched fireworks at midnight.
I watched fireworks at midnight.
Excellent. Midnight means 12 o'clock at night. That's when the new year begins.
Right, 12 o'clock at night is midnight.
Yes. Now, listeners, repeat this sentence. I watched fireworks at midnight. Try it now. Wonderful. Okay, let's practice more activities. Jack, some people make wishes for the new year.
Wishes? What are wishes?
A wish is something you hope will happen, like, I wish for good health, or I wished for happiness.
Oh, I understand. So I can say, I made wishes for the new year?
Perfect. I made wishes for the new year. That's exactly right.
I made wishes for the new year.
Great. Now, some people also make New Year's resolutions. Do you know what a resolution is?
I'm not sure.
A resolution is a promise to yourself. It's something you want to do in the new year, like, I want to exercise more, or I want to learn English better.
Oh, so a resolution is like a goal.
Exactly. It's a goal for the new year. So you can say, I made New Year's resolutions.
I made New Year's resolutions.
Wonderful. Listeners, repeat after me. I made New Year's resolutions. Say it now. Excellent work. Now, let's learn how to give more details. Jack, when you answer, what did you do for New Year, you can add more information.
What kind of information?
You can say who you were with, where you were, or how you felt. Let me show you.
Okay.
You can say, I spent time with my family at home. It was very nice.
I spent time with my family at home. It was very nice.
Perfect. Or, I went to a party with my friends. We had a lot of fun.
I went to a party with my friends. We had a lot of fun.
Excellent. See, you add a little more information. It makes your answer better.
I understand. More details make it more interesting.
Exactly. Now, listeners, let's practice. Say this sentence. I celebrated with my family. It was wonderful. Try it now. Great job.
Jack, let me teach you some more useful phrases. When people ask about your new year, you can also talk about the countdown. Countdown?
What's that?
The countdown is when people count down from 10 to 0 before midnight. Like this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Oh, we count backwards. Yes, so you can say, I counted down to midnight with my family. I counted down to midnight with my family. Perfect. Or you can say, we did the countdown together. We did the countdown together. Excellent. Listeners, repeat, I counted down to midnight. Say it now. Very good. Now let's talk about feelings. Jack, how did you feel on New Year? I felt happy. Great. You can add feelings to your answers, like I felt excited or I felt happy. I felt excited. Yes, or I was so happy. You can also say, it was a special night. It was a special night. Perfect. Listeners, let's practice feelings. Say, I felt happy and excited. Try it now. Wonderful. Jessica, can I say, I had a good time? Absolutely. I had a good time is a very common phrase. It means you enjoyed yourself. I had a good time on New Year.
Perfect sentence, Jack. Now, listeners, repeat. I had a good time. Say it now. Excellent. Okay, let's learn about some traditional New Year activities. Jack, do you know what people do at midnight on New Year?
They say Happy New Year.
Yes, that's right. At midnight, everyone says Happy New Year. So you can say, at midnight, I wished everyone Happy New Year.
At midnight, I wished everyone Happy New Year.
Perfect. Some people also hug or kiss their family and friends.
Oh yes, to show love.
Exactly. So you can say, I hugged my family and friends.
I hugged my family and friends.
Great. Now, listeners, repeat. I wished everyone Happy New Year. Say it now. Very good. Jack, some people also make toasts on New Year. Do you know what a toast is?
A toast? Like bread?
No, not that kind of toast. A toast is when you raise your glass and say something nice, like cheers to the new year.
Oh, I understand now. You hold your drink and say something.
Exactly. So you can say, we made a toast to the new year.
We made a toast to the new year.
Perfect. Or you can say, we raised our glasses and said cheers.
We raised our glasses and said cheers.
Excellent pronunciation. Listeners, repeat. We made a toast. Say it slowly. Great job. Now let's practice everything together. Jack, I'm going to ask you, how was your new year? And you give me a complete answer.
Okay, I'm ready.
How was your new year, Jack?
My New Year was amazing. I spent time with my family at home. We cooked delicious food together. At midnight, we counted down and said Happy New Year. I felt so happy. It was a special night.
Wow, that was a perfect answer, Jack. You used so many phrases we learned today.
Thank you. I practiced.
You did great. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Imagine I'm asking you, how was your new year? Answer out loud using the phrases we learned today. Excellent work, everyone. Jack, let's also learn how to ask follow-up questions. When someone tells you about their new year, you can ask more questions.
What kind of questions?
You can ask, did you have fun? Or where did you celebrate?
Did you have fun?
Yes. Or you can ask, who were you with?
Who were you with?
Perfect. These questions show you're interested. You can also say, that sounds great, or that sounds fun.
That sounds great.
Excellent. Listeners, repeat, that sounds fun. Say it now. Very good. Now let's learn some more vocabulary about New Year. Jack, what do people often say on New Year?
Happy New Year.
Yes, you can also say best wishes for the new year.
Best wishes for the new year.
Or, I hope you have a great year.
I hope you have a great year.
Perfect. These are all nice things to say. Listeners, repeat best wishes for the new year. Say it now. Wonderful. Jack, some people also talk about the old year. They might say, last year was difficult, but I'm excited for this year.
Oh, so we can compare the old year and the new year.
Exactly. You can say, last year was challenging, but I'm hopeful for this year.
Last year was challenging, but I'm hopeful for this year.
Great. Challenging means difficult, and hopeful means you have hope for good things.
I understand. We can talk about our feelings for both years.
Yes. Now, listeners, repeat, I'm excited for this year. Say it now. Excellent. Okay, let's do a final practice. Jack, let's have a complete conversation about New Year.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, Jack. Happy New Year. How was your New Year?
Happy New Year, Jessica. My New Year was fantastic. I celebrated with my family. We had a big dinner with delicious food.
That sounds wonderful. What did you do at midnight?
At midnight, we counted down together. Then we said Happy New Year and hugged each other. We also made a toast.
That's so nice. Did you make any New Year's resolutions?
Yes, I made a resolution to learn English better. I want to practice every day.
That's a great resolution. I'm sure you'll do it.
Thank you. I'm excited for this year.
Perfect conversation, Jack. You did an amazing job. All right, everyone, let's do a quick review of everything we learned today.
Yes, let's review.
First, we learned the question, how was your New Year? And you can answer, my New Year was great, or my New Year was wonderful.
My New Year was great.
Then we learned, what did you do for New Year? You can say, I spent time with my family, or I went to a party with my friends.
I spent time with my family.
We also learned activities like I watched fireworks, I cooked special food, and I made New Year's resolutions.
I watched fireworks at midnight.
Great! We learned about the countdown, and you can say, I counted down to midnight.
I counted down to midnight.
We learned to add feelings like I felt happy or I had a good time.
I had a good time.
And we learned phrases like that sounds fun and best wishes for the new year.
Best wishes for the new year.
Perfect. You remembered everything, Jack. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's lesson. Now you know how to talk about your new year in English.
I learned so much today. Thank you, Jessica.
You're welcome, Jack, and thank you to all our listeners. Remember to practice these phrases with your friends.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
That's right. And don't forget, when someone asks you, how was your new year? You're ready to answer.
Yes, I'm ready to talk about my new year in English now.
Wonderful. Keep practicing, everyone. Until next time, keep learning and keep speaking English.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy New Year.
Goodbye. See you in the next lesson.